Today, Maine saw the highest single-day increase of cases since testing began. We'll have more about that stat in just a minute. There were 71 new confirmed cases, which is more than double the amount yesterday. There were no new deaths reported today. There were also 22 more recoveries, which brings the total over 1,100. The overall case count jumped up by 78, which is also a one-day high.
And earlier today at the Maine CDC press briefing, Dr. Nirav Shah, the director of the CDC, addressed this high jump in numbers and said he really wasn't surprised by it. News Center Maine's Don Kerrigan was covering the briefing, as he often does, and he has the reason behind that particular reaction. Hi, Don.
Hi, Lee. You're right. It's the largest single-day increase in case numbers in Maine since this whole thing began. 78 more cases since just yesterday. Now, the cases have been going up fairly steadily over the last couple weeks. And while this number sounds the alarm for many of us, Dr. Shah says it was likely because they've been doing a lot more testing at places like nursing homes, Tyson Foods, even the Chinborough worksite in Augusta, where they now have 20 cases. He suggested that it doesn't necessarily mean more people are getting sick, but that more people with the virus are being found.
This increase is not a surprise. As expected, with increased testing comes increased cases. Just in the past few days alone, our laboratory here in Augusta has processed samples for Bristol Seafood, for Clover Healthcare in Auburn, as well as for residents of 100 State Street in Portland, for whom testing is being made available today. As we continue to move toward increasing the amount of testing that's available across the state, we do anticipate seeing continued increases in the number of cases statewide. That being said, these increases underscore the need for us to keep our public health vigilance up.
Now, Dr. Shah says they will be continuing to do more testing. The goal, he said they're just about there, is to be doing now with the new IDEXX tests, 1,000 tests a day at the Maine CDC lab. He says as they continue to do that increased level of testing, more cases of coronavirus will turn up. But the numbers have been going up. Among the things we track are the number of active virus cases, which had remained relatively flat but for a while. But over the last 2 weeks, those numbers have shot up. 636 of those active cases today, according to the most recent test results from the CDC. Lee, back to you.
All righty, Don. Interesting. Thank you very much.